Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can win Monopoly Go tournaments. So in Monopoly Go, new limited time events or tournaments are introduced where players compete against other players to get rewards and earn money. The more you spend time winning these tournaments, the more points you'll get, and the more points a player gets, the more rewards they can claim. So for example, here we have Chess Quest Challenge. This is the current tournament. So basically here I'm on 49th rank and we have to win in this tournament so we can get more rewards. So in order to win every tournament on Monopoly Go, I suggest that you always robbing your friends' banks and shutting down their landmarks. So you can have an opportunity to unlock more dice rolls and get some similar rewards. So you just need to have more playing time on Monopoly Go, and you just need to roll the dice and going to some railroad tiles right from here on the board to basically shut down some landmarks or having some bank heist on your opponents. So doing so will give you an edge over your opponents and help players to ensure a better ranking. And please always look for the daily treats and also the today's quick wins to get more dice rolls, or you can buy from shop so you can play more on Monopoly Go and win tournaments. So that's all. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to our channel.